Hey guys, today we'll talk about science and especially about an experiment. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you love science? Well, I think I do, but I don't like discovering about science very much. I just love watching some videos that they do some experiment. For example, doing some kind of eruption thing. I just love that. Yeah, I love watching about that. And the program that I usually watch is called Seeker. Seeker is an amazing program. It is Seeker. Maybe you can watch that too. Seeker, an amazing program about science. I love it so much. Yeah, so back to this video. In science, we'll talk about one experiment. Have you ever do a volcano science experiment? What? Making an actual volcano? Well, that's not the case. We just make a fake one, but it looks like a real one in a small size. Yes, a volcano science experiment. And in here, if you want to try out, then the best place for you is in a quiet room. Gather all your ingredients, which I will tell you later, and try to keep less thing in that room as possible, because if you fall something, it will wet your things. So maybe you can come to the quietest room in your house. So yeah, let's get started right away on some tips or some steps to make a volcano science experiment. If you want to see how it looks like, it even got eruption. If you pour some liquid in, it got eruption. It's like an actual volcano, but it's just a big one. Here, you can see that. See this picture? Yeah, the volcano, the eruption, yes. So let's start with the ingredient. Gather the material you will need to make the volcano. You will need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. You will also need some paint and a tall cup. So that is all the thing we need. Easy, right? There's no need any special liquid, any science liquid, just those things. And I'm sure oil or salt or cup, water, flour, your house have all of that. Those are the things that your mom or your dad or even you used to cook in daily life. So maybe you can ask your mom or any kind of family members in your family, and they will lend it to you. Just need a little bit. And number 2, to make the dough, yes, you need to make the dough in order to make the volcano. Pour the flour and salt into a bowl, then add the water and oil. Stir the mixture and put it aside. And here's a tip. If the dough is too dry after you have mixed everything, add some more water. Water can make the dough wet. 3. Put the long cup on the table. This will be the mouth of the volcano. So put the long cup on the table. Yes, like I said before, in here they say that a tall cup. So a tall cup will be the mouth of the volcano. And number 4, take the dough out and use your hands to shape it into a mountain around the cup. Then use the paint to color it. So here you can see that we need a tall cup, right? And we have to make the dough by using our hand to make a mountain around the cup. So inside the hole, if we pour some liquid in, it will start the eruption. Sounds fascinating. It's really easy. Maybe I will make a video on how to make that one day. 5. Gather the material we'll need for the eruption. It's time for eruption. You need a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. I'm sure that all those ingredients in your house have it. 1 cup of vinegar. Vinegar is also an ingredient for cooking too. It's quite sour. 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is a thing to clean the kitchen or clean some kind of surface, like my table right here. And 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. The liquid soap, instead of a bar of soap, it has the liquid for us to wash our hand. So I'm pretty sure that your house have all of these things. Number 6, Pour the baking soda into the cup, then add the liquid soap. Here's a tip. Add a bit of red food coloring to make the liquid look like real lava. Like if you put the vinegar, baking soda, and liquid soap, it still looks like lava, but the color is a little bit faded. So if you want to make it look like real lava, like in this picture right here, then put some red coloring, like red food coloring, the food that can eat. 7. Take the vinegar and quickly pour into the cup, then watch it erupt. Like you put the baking soda and the liquid in the cup first, and then after that you can put the vinegar in and it will erupt. Sound fascinating, right? I want to do this immediately, so I will make a video one day to make this. And it sounds pretty easy to me by making those, because at first I thought that we need some like scientific liquid, but no, we just need some easy stuff around your kitchen. So bye, thanks for watching, and we'll see another video coming up about science too. Bye!